Today marks an exciting day for the tech industry as the highly anticipated Google Pixel 9 Pro is finally being unveiled in an exclusive first look. This new release is sure to make waves in the market, and I can't wait to see what this new device has to offer. That's so true. It's amazing how fast news travels in the tech industry, and it seems like everyone is already buzzing about the Pixel 9 Pro, even though the Pixel 8 hasn't even been released yet. It just goes to show how passionate people are about new technology and the latest gadgets. While skeptics may question the authenticity of these leaks, the track record of reliable leakers, such as OnLeaks, stands as a testament to their accuracy. Remember the Pixel 8 Pro leaked 7 months before its official release? OnLeaks has now outdone himself, presenting the Pixel 9 Pro a staggering 9 months in advance. Examining the high-resolution renders provided by OnLeaks, we witness a Pixel 9 Pro that shares similarities with its predecessor but introduces notable changes, especially in the camera module. The rounded approach of the camera module, reminiscent of the Pixel 8 Pro but drawing inspiration from recent releases like the Pixel Fold, catches the eye. Confirmation of 3 cameras, including a periscope lens, sparks anticipation. Interestingly, the temperature sensor, present in the Pixel 8, maintains its place, though its utility remains a topic of debate. Now let's take a closer look at the camera setup. With expectations for a wide-angle, ultra-wide, and telephoto lens, Google might surprise us with improvements in the Pixel 9 Pro's camera system. The substantial sensor on the camera module hints at potential support for variable aperture, promising enhanced photography capabilities. Moving on to the frame, the Pixel 9 Pro continues the trend set by its predecessor, boasting a flat-edge design. This departure from the curved display aligns with the aesthetics of recent smartphones like the new iPhones and the Galaxy S24 series. Speculation even suggests a titanium frame, aligning with the premium build quality observed in other flagship devices. In terms of display, the Pixel 9 Pro features a flat display with a punch-hole camera in the top center. Surprisingly, there's a reduction in display size from 6.7 to 6.5, accompanied by minor dimensional adjustments. The SASIM tray has found a new home at the bottom of the phone next to the USB-C port, streamlining the device's profile. Beyond the design, Google's focus on AI features sets the Pixel series apart. The collaboration with Samsung on the Circle to Search feature is a testament to Google's commitment to pushing AI boundaries. Anticipate an array of new AI features that promise to elevate the user experience on the Pixel 9 Pro. For those eagerly awaiting the Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro, let's explore the full spectrum of specs, design details, and expected pricing to assist you in making an informed decision. Hit subscribe and let's unravel the details together. Starting with the standard Pixel 9, we're looking at a 6.1-inch flat display protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2. The 120Hz Full HD Plus OLED display boasts a resolution of 2400 x 1080, with anticipated improvements in peak brightness, possibly reaching 2400 nits. A punch-hole camera handles selfies, and on the rear, a triple camera setup includes wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto lenses. The Google Tensor G4 chipset powers the device, featuring 8 GB of RAM and storage options of 128 GB or 256 GB US4. A 4600 mAh battery with enhanced fast charging capabilities is expected, complemented by 5G support, Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 7, and Android 15. Now let's shift our focus to the Pixel 9 Pro, offering a 6.5-inch flat display protected by Gorilla Glass armor. This OLED display, with a resolution of 2992 x 1344 and an expected peak brightness of 2600 to 2800 nits, promises a visual feast. Similar to its sibling, the Pixel 9 Pro features a punch-hole selfie camera and a triple camera setup on the rear. The powerhouse behind this device is Google's Tensor G4 chipset, supported by 12 GB of RAM and storage options extending up to 1 TB US4. A robust 5100 mAh battery with advanced charging capabilities, including 40 wired, 30 wireless, and reverse wireless charging, ensures longevity. The Pixel 9 Pro also boasts 5G support, Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 7, ultra-wideband, and ships with Android 15. As we eagerly await the October launch of the Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro, pricing details remain unconfirmed. However, estimates suggest a starting price of around $700 for the Pixel 9 and $1,000 for the Pixel 9 Pro. In summary, the Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro continue Google's legacy of delivering smartphones that combine innovative design with cutting-edge technology. With improvements in camera capabilities, durability, and AI features, these devices are poised to meet the expectations of tech enthusiasts worldwide. While the similarities with the previous model might not prompt Pixel 8 users to rush for an upgrade, those with older Pixel models or newcomers to the Pixel series have an exciting choice ahead. Please remember to like, subscribe, and press the notification bell if you like this video. Goodbye until the next time.